Would like to give you a quick overview of the touring kit. This will fit a fat boy. I'll give you a 360-degree first. Now, when you take the case of a fat boy, this is a top-end kit which includes an exhaust relocator. It includes a touring pack with armrest. It includes your front saddle guard, back saddle guard, and of course the side boxes along with the kits. So this is the back, the front guard. It comes over here to protect the box from front. Then these guards go behind the box, act as a bumper. The boxes come with ready to plug arrangements, as you can see there. So all the wiring is pre-done. All you have to do is to plug the red and black into your side boxes. That is for both the sides, and the yellow and black is for the touring pack plug point. The touring pack also has LEDs. Even the side boxes have LEDs, and the entire indicator brake light system is given in this only. So as you can see, there is a LED there.